We'll guide you through how to mask in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and go to the Edit page. You need to have your clip already on the timeline. Click on the clip you want to mask, and then go to the inspector on the top right of the screen. Next, look for the Window tab and click on it. You'll see different shapes like a circle, square, and pen tool for creating custom shapes. Choose the shape that fits your needs best. If you need a freeform shape, use the pen tool. Click to create points around the area you want to mask. Once you've outlined your mask, you can adjust it by clicking and dragging the points to refine the shape. If you need to add new points, just click on the line and a new point will be created. Now, go to the Control tab in the inspector to adjust the mask's feathering, which softens the edges to make the mask blend more naturally. You can also adjust the opacity if you want to make the mask more or less transparent. If your subject is moving and you need the mask to follow, you'll want to use the tracker. Click the Tracker tab, and you'll see options to track forward or backward. Hit the play button, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically track your mask with the movement in the clip. You can also manually adjust keyframes if needed for more precise tracking. Once you're satisfied with the mask, you can add effects or color grade within the masked area or outside it, depending on your project needs. Remember to render your project when you're finished to see the final results. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.